Each of the 4 Intellimix channel displays shows you the currently selected source. We call this top area of the display Source Selector. Tap the text within the Source Selector to call up a list showing all available signal sources. Use gestures well known from your smartphone. Navigate through the list by swiping up and down. Sources are classified into categories, for example, USB or mic. An icon simplifies source identification. For instance, microphones are indicated with a mic icon. A mark shows which source is already assigned to one of the channels. In case of Intellimix Focus, you have 4 channels to assign sources to. Intellimix Pro offers you 8 channels, displayed in 2 layers. To assign an input to one of the channels, just tap on the source of your choice. If the fader of the channel is open, you will be asked if you want to close the fader and switch the source, or cancel. To leave the list, press the Home button or tap at the text. After 10 seconds, the system will automatically jump to Home. To rename selected sources, tap and hold the source selector and use the keypad displayed on the touchscreen. In the default mode, a source is blocked if it's already assigned to another channel. You can change this setting via the master display. Simply choose Admin and tap Options. Activate Query to allow swapping inputs of 2 channels. The Query option allows you to select a source which is already assigned to another channel. For example, mic 1 is already assigned to channel 1, but you want to select it for channel 2. To prevent accidental changes, you are then asked if you want to swap sources. If you choose to do so, sources assigned to channel 1 and channel 2 swap. Mic 2 is now assigned to channel 1 and mic 1 is assigned to channel 2. All your channel settings will also be swapped. Choosing force, channel assignments are swapped without questioning. That helps you to speed up your process.